As dawn breaks over the quiet fields, the harvest of quality potatoes for Lay's chips begins with skilled workers guiding the harvester through the rows. Fresh potatoes, still covered in field soil, are loaded into the single transport truck that will carry them directly to the PepsiCo Lay's factory. The single transport truck, now fully loaded with fresh harvest, leaves the fields and begins its journey to the PepsiCo factory. On the highway, the single truck carries the fresh potatoes the final miles toward the secure gates of the PepsiCo Lay's potato chip factory.
Keep coming back, straight back. A little to the left, line of the marker.
Fresh potatoes from the single truck now cascade onto the receiving conveyor, entering the heart of the PepsiCo Lay's factory. Fresh potatoes from the single truck now cascade onto the receiving conveyor, entering the heart of the PepsiCo Lay's factory. Inside the factory, the potatoes enter the large rotary washing drum, where powerful jets begin removing all field soil and impurities. Freshly washed potatoes now emerge from the rotary drum, their surfaces clean and glistening as they continue their journey deeper into the PepsiCo Lay's production lines. Any remaining stones and debris are efficiently removed on the vibrating table, ensuring only the highest quality potatoes proceed in the Lay's manufacturing process. The clean potatoes now enter the high-capacity peelers, where abrasive action removes the outer skins, preparing them for precise slicing. Looks good, move it forward.
This one has a spot, setting aside.
Clean batch, keep it going. Precision high-speed slicers now transform the peeled potatoes into thin, uniform slices that will soon become the signature crispy Lay's potato chips. The delicate slices pass through a thorough washing stage to remove surface starch, ensuring they will fry evenly into perfect Lay's chips. Excess moisture is removed from the slices using powerful air knives, preparing them perfectly for the critical frying stage in the Lay's production line. The prepared slices now enter the massive continuous fryer, where they will be transformed by hot oil into the golden, crispy chips that define Lay's. Freshly fried golden chips now exit the fryer, perfectly cooked and ready for seasoning to become the iconic Lay's potato chips loved worldwide. Freshly fried golden chips now move along the cooling conveyor, their crisp texture developing as they prepare to receive the signature Lay's seasoning. In the seasoning drum, the precise blend of flavors is evenly applied to the hot chips, giving them the classic taste that makes Lay's instantly recognizable. The seasoned chips are gently cooled on the open conveyor, allowing the flavor to set before they undergo final quality inspection. Advanced optical sorters now scan every chip, automatically removing any defects to ensure only the highest quality pieces reach the packaging lines. Precision weighing systems divide the seasoned chips into exact portions, guaranteeing consistent bag weights for every pack of Lay's. Precision weighing systems divide the seasoned chips into exact portions, guaranteeing consistent bag weights for every pack of Lay's. The weighed portions are now formed, filled, and sealed into individual Lay's bags at high speed on the automated packaging lines. Sealed bags of Lay's chips now move smoothly on the takeaway conveyor, entering the high-tech automation systems for final verification. Advanced metal detectors and precision check weighers automatically verify every bag, ensuring safety and accurate weight in the high-tech automation phase. Every sealed bag passes through metal detection and weight verification to maintain the strict safety and quality standards of PepsiCo Lay's. Automated case packers now group the individual bags into sturdy cardboard cases, preparing them for efficient palletizing and distribution. Robotic palletizers carefully stack the cases onto pallets, creating stable loads ready for storage and eventual dispatch from the PepsiCo facility. Automated case packers now group the individual bags into sturdy cardboard cases, preparing them for efficient palletizing and distribution.
Line is clear, proceed with palletizing.
A completed pallet of Lay's chips is carefully transported deep into the warehouse storage area, joining hundreds of others ready for distribution. The pallet is precisely placed into the high storage racks, where it will wait until it is called for final dispatch from the PepsiCo facility.
Clear the path, forklift incoming. Hold it there, get it close to the truck. Ready for the pallet, back